Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really cute birthday card to share with you. This is my birthday cake side edge card. How fun is that layered birthday cake? So cute there in the front. You've got the fun pattern paper on the inside. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I included envelope as well. Now I do my side edge cards a little bit different. I'll explain that when we get into the assembly of the card, but it comes together really quickly, and that birthday cake can totally be customized. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, you can go to the sign up button and okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, head to the sign up button. Go ahead. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account already, click on the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Take a look at the list and select which membership is right for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials, and now I'm logged into my account. To access the file libraries, head to the Files tab on the main navigation bar. Now this file is free, so that is available for all membership tiers. Those with free memberships can click on the Free Files page. Those with basic and premium memberships can click on the File Library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 547. That is the birthday cake side edge card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some score lines to convert, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Highlight the score line, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer up all the different pieces for this cute little birthday cake. Now don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all the different pieces together. So really quick, from back to front, you're going to start with the gray, then the cream, brown, dark blue, dark red, dark pink, brown again, light pink, light blue, and light red. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I go ahead and layer up all the different pieces. And there is our cute little birthday cake. I'm going to set that to the side just for a few minutes. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the pattern paper piece for the inside and then the messaging panel. Now let's take our card base and fold and burnish along that score line. I'm going to open up the card base and add my pattern paper to the inside. Now this is just me. I like to have the pattern paper on the inside of the card and then the messaging panel on the back. The reason that I do that is because once everything is assembled, I like seeing that little bit of the pattern paper when the card is closed. It's totally up to you how you do it. Close up the card and flip that over to add the messaging panel. All right, flip that back over. Now we can add the front mat to the card. And lastly, we can add our cute little birthday cake to the front of the card. And there is our cute little card. I love that pattern paper sticking out there. Super cute. Gonna set that to the side for a minute. Now let's go ahead and assemble the envelope. For the envelope, we're gonna fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over and add that over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our envelope. And our birthday cake side edge card is all set. How fun is this card? I think this is a totally universal birthday card that can be used for any age, and I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!